Program design is the organization and coordination of a training program, of its training activities. Everything from administration to facilitation to evaluation. When we design a training program, we need to consider the features of not only the learning event, but of the working conditions both before the learning event and after it. Program design has a direct impact on trainees' learning, and for this reason, effective design is crucial to overall training effectiveness. This step of program development is extremely important. As you can imagine, there are a variety of different considerations that we need to make. In this module, we're going to focus on some of the strategies that we haven't learned about yet. And we are going to focus on some of the more practical issues that trainers and instructional designers face as they design programs.